So, hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, today's episode, this is what we are going to design. And we are going to design this using our Pixel Lab. Yes, this is as part of our Pixel Lab graphic design tutorials that we have embarked for some time now. And let me rotate the screen for you to see it clearly. Yes, this is what we are going to design. Yes, this is purely what we are going to design. We are going to design it from scratch so that if you are here and you want to participate, then you pick it from there. So quickly, I'll just clear off everything and then go to my background, and I've set up the background already. Yes, I've set up the background already, and this is it. I'll just pick this and then select it perfectly. Yeah, so this is okay. Then I'll go here and then clear the first text. Yes. No. Let me change the background. Yes. Let me change the background size. So I can set here to, what do you call it? 6 or 4. And then set here to 5. 4 by 5 is okay. And click OK. And still, I think, let me still work on the background again. I think let me make here 5. And then make here by 4. Yes, so that I get it. So perfect. This is exactly what I want. This is exactly what I want. Okay. So then quickly I'll have my details here. I'll go and bring this and then put it over there. Perfect, perfect. So let me center it and align. Sorry, let me center and align. So we center and align, then we go and lock it. All right. Then we go and bring the logo. So I have the logo here. I have the logo here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is my logo? Where is my logo? So still okay. So let's use this as a logo. Then click on OK. Then reduce the size and then position it at the top this way. And then still let's center it. So you can center it and change the color. Let's change the color to something like a black. Perfect. Then you go to the text side and go and write your present. Yes. So present. Let me use present. Uh, so present. Click it and then change all to caps. Then click on OK and then position it here. Let's go and change the font. So we change the font to a recent font we use. So let's use this. Perfect. And then maybe we send it up a bit, or we have to reduce the size a bit. It's too big and it's taking enough space over there. Therefore, let's reduce the size to something like this. It's okay. Then we center it. Yes, we center it. And then move it up a bit. Use the position. Use the position. Then you lock it. Perfect. So you lock the two. Then we are going to type what I typed inside. Sorry. You go to the text and then type let okay, sorry, it was lose him. Okay, so click OK, then change to caps and then bring it here. And we are going to change the font. Yeah, always use a nice font. So this is awesome, or better still, we use Bebas or Poppins. Okay, Bebas is okay. Then let me scale it and then position it here. Perfect. So it's at the center. And then we copy it and then let him, we click on the let him, then click it and then you increase the size a bit this way. Perfect. I like how it has been positioned. Then you copy it and then you type the go. So go, then change the caps and then increase that size. Perfect. I think the font for the go need to be changed to something like a chillers. Perfect. 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 Then reduce the size. This is the size. And perfect. Let's copy it and then go and edit and write the end. That is, you use this end. Perfect, 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 perfect. You can reduce the size to very small and then use the position to move it to this side. Lose him and let him go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Then we change the color. Yes, change the color to that of this color. Perfect, perfect. Oh, perfect. This is okay. Perfect. This is okay. Then let's lock it. So let's lock all. If you haven't locked, it will definitely disturb you. Then we brought the dates and time. So we brought, let me bring the date and then put it at the center here. Edit it and then go and write your date. Maybe if it is 14 February, January 2025, you write the date. Yes, this is an ideal date that I'm using. So in case you are designing for your client, make sure you use their information. But this is for a purpose of tutorials only. So that's why I'm using any date at all. So then let me change the font to this and then position it at the, let me use the position and position at the center. And then I'll lock it. And then with that one selected, I'll copy it and go and write, sorry, yes. Then write the time. So maybe the time is, let's say, 6 000 p.m. To something like 4 a.m. Okay, so change all to caps and then you position it nicely there. And then the rest of the details should follow. Yeah, the rest of the details, such as the date, time, and the details. Yes. Then when I'm done, yes, when I'm done, I go into the shape side and then pick a nice shape this way and position it at the same, the edge this way. Yes, I position it at the edge. And I think I have to send it back. I have to send it back. Perfect, perfect. I have to send it back. Then I go and bring the images. Okay, after sending it back, I'll lock it. Yes, I'll lock it. Then I'll go and then bring the images. Yes, I'll go and bring the images. So where is the first image I used? Images are here. So this is the first image. I'll select it and position it here. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then I'll lock it. Then I'll go again to go and select the second images. Yes, just make sure you bring the images there. And then that's all. So select this and then position it. Reduce the size if necessary. So position it here. And then that's cool. Then the next image is also introduce. So where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? So where are my images? So I have this image here. I'll pick this and then bring it here perfectly. Yes, perfectly. And then the next image again. So let me lock this. And then the next image. So where are you? The next image, which is this. So I'll bring it here. I'll bring it here. Okay, let me bring this one here. Or better still, this one should be here. Let me set my guides. Yeah, set my guides so that it will help me position the images well. Perfect, 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 perfect. So this, oh, no, 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 no. Okay, so meaning this must go up a bit and then I'll lock it. Yeah, I'll lock it. And then go and select the next images. So guys, just the remaining is the importing and then positioning your images. importing and positioning your images. So this now this has a background. So let me go again to go and select the next one. And then let's see. Let's go and select. Where is it? So this is it. Perfect. Then I'll check it and then bring it here. Something like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. So then let's see if I can get another image, or I'll introduce another image. Yes, depending on the number of image you are using. If the image you are using is not many, then arrange it well over there so that it gets enough space to write the details. But if the images are too big, or sorry, too plenty, to that one too, you need to find ways and means to arrange it and then have a perfect design. So with this, and I think this is it. This is it. This is it. So let me lock it. And then after that, I went to the shape side and then go and pick a gradient. Yes, go and pick a gradient and then bring it down this way. Bring it down this way. And then let me bring it down. Bring it down. Then select it. Position it at the center. So let me center and align. Then copy it and then position at the center and align. Then you merge the two. 1, 2, you merge it together. And then you bring it down. Bring it down. Perfect. Okay, so let's continue. And then we push it down a bit. So we have locked it. And then I think there's something we need to do. All the images, let's put them together. All the images, let's put them together. All the image, yeah. We put it together and then merge it. Perfect. Then you have it as one this way. Then all the details on the text and the shape, let's merge it as well. No, this is not part. The shape and present. No. I think this and this, we should merge them rather. So we merge the present and this. All right. Then we are going to merge the shape. We are going to merge the shape and the text. Yeah. I'm merging them. Then let's merge them. Perfect. Then we can reduce the size this way and position it here. Let's position it at the center. This needs to be reduced a bit. Then you position it at the center this way, and then let's lock it. Perfect. Let's lock it. Let's lock this one. Then we position this a bit at the center. Then we lock it as well. Perfect. We lock it as well. Then the image must come up. The image must come up. Yeah. Image must come up. Position it at this side. Let's center it. Perfect. Then we lock it as well. Then lastly, this gradient must come to the front. Perfect. Then we lock it as well. So already it's locked. Then we are going to add the names. Yes. So guys, this is how we were able to achieve a beautiful flyer using our smartphone. Kindly practice and let me know how you think. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share and comment. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye for now.